This video walks you through how to set up conflict checking in Clio Manage. Once you are logged into Clio Manage, go to the left navigation menu and click Contacts. At the top of the Contacts page, open the Conflict Checks tab. From there, click Conflict Check Preferences in the upper right corner to set the default behavior for your searches before you run one. In the Preferences window, find Subject Type and choose the default search type you want to use. You can set this to person, company, or keyword depending on how your firm usually starts a conflict review. Next, choose whether Match Full Name should be enabled for your conflict searches. This setting affects how names are matched during the search, so make sure it reflects how you want results returned. Under Search Type, choose between Flex Search and Exact Search. Then move to Search Categories and select which Clio Manage records should be included in conflict checks. The available categories can include contacts, matters, calendar events, notes, activities, document names, document content, and communication logs. Select the categories that fit your review process, then click Save Preferences. Back on the Conflict Checks page, click Run Conflict Check to start a new search. On the new Conflict Check page, select whether the search will be for a person, company, or keyword, then enter the name or term you want to check. If you are searching for a person, enter both the first name and last name in the fields provided. If needed, use Add Variation to include alternate versions of a name. This can help when a person might appear under more than one form of their name. You can also enter a label when needed to identify the person's role, which is useful when you are checking more than one related party in the same search. If the conflict check needs to include additional people, companies, or keywords, click Add Another Search and enter each one as part of the same check. When all search entries are in place, click Generate Results in the upper right corner. Clio Manage will display the results across the categories you selected in your preferences. Review the matches in each available section and classify any results that require review. This step is where you identify records that may need closer attention before moving forward. When your review is complete, click Close and Generate Report. This saves the outcome of the conflict check and creates the report based on the search and classifications you just completed. Thanks for watching. Your conflict check preferences are saved, and your conflict check report has been generated.